In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh, break, or manage external links, charts, ranges, media in PowerPoint. External links are connections your presentation makes to content outside the file, such as charts from Excel, linked ranges, or media like videos that live elsewhere on your computer or network. Managing these links helps you keep data up to date, avoid broken references, and control what gets embedded versus what remains connected to a source file. Start by opening your presentation and heading to the File tab. Go to Info, then look for the option labeled Edit Links to Files. In some versions, you'll find it under Info, then Related Documents, and then Edit Links. Click that to open the Links dialog. If you don't see the button or it's unavailable, your presentation may not contain any external links. In the Links dialog, you'll see a list of every external connection in the file. This can include linked Excel charts, ranges, and media files. You can select any item in this list to take action on it. To refresh or update a link, select the link and click Update Now. PowerPoint will pull in the latest content from the source file, so your slide reflects current data or the most recent media version. This is especially useful before a presentation when you want your numbers and visuals to be accurate. To break a link, select it and click Break Link. This converts the linked content into static content inside your presentation. It's helpful when you need to share the deck without relying on access to the original files. Keep in mind, breaking a link is a one-way step. After you break it, that content won't update automatically from the source anymore. To change the source of a link, select it and click Change Source. Then browse to and choose the new file you want PowerPoint to reference. This is the right move if your Excel workbook or media file was moved, renamed, or replaced, and you want the presentation to point to the new location without rebuilding the slide. After you finish managing your links, save the presentation to ensure your changes persist. Use Save so the updates carry through the next time you open the file. That's the complete process. Open the Edit Links dialog, review your linked items, update when you need fresh data, break links when you want static content, change the source when files move, and save to lock everything in. With these controls, you can present confidently, knowing your content is current and stable.